almost Halloween. Oh gosh, not the lights again. We're already in October, Halloween is just around the corner, and my son has asked me to make him a ghost costume. And if I make it from now, you can have time to sort out the materials and have it done before then. So let's go ahead, it's quite simple. If you're new around here, my name's Irene and I like sewing about anything. I like making clothes, upcycling, mending, decoration, accessories, anything really. So if you like me and like this content, consider subscribing, liking, hyping, sharing, anything that can make it possible to get to more people so no one misses anything. My little ghost is going to look like this, but it's not going to be just a cape, a whole thing. I'm going to make it in two. I'm going to add a hood so he can take it off or put it back a little bit and be comfortable while eating loads of chocolate. So I got this blanket. It's really nice, really soft, and it is from Ikea. So this tutorial includes an Ikea hack. It's a blanket, it's 120 by 160 meters, and it was €4. You can't really go wrong with €4, can you? I don't think you can get much fabric for that price. It's a lovely fabric, and then the other material you're going to need is tulle, because his words, and you should make the eyes and the mouth with a sort of net, mommy. So I guess he referred to this. So I can speak and see everyone, he told me. So that's what we're going to do, of course. Well, I'm going to start by taking the label off. In some countries, here for example in Spain, it's not something we had, it's sort of new, Halloween. I didn't have it when I was small, so it's quite fun, but some people don't like it because it's not our traditions. But I mean, even though it's not our tradition, you can have fun, you can respect everyone and not go over the top. And it's just for the children to eat candy, really, so it's okay. I didn't have it when I was little. I would have loved to. I remember watching the films and thinking, why can't we have this? But now I'm happy that he does, so everyone's happy. And I'm going to start by making the cape, which is going to be 1 meter wide by 80 centimeters long. And then I'll make the hood. So the blanket is 1 meter 20 wide and 1 meter 60 long. So my son needs 1 meter from wrist to wrist. So I'm going to come right to one side, measure the 1 meter and give the shape of a cape. So I can then use the rest for the hood. It's a bit tight, but I think we can make it. So I'm going to fold, I have it folded, and I really like the scallop edge it has. So I'm thinking I'm going to do something like that. So I'm going to fold and start cutting. I've just already cut all around, and before I'm folding it, I'm going to cut the neckline 5 centimeters deep and 10 centimeters long, and that way we have it ready. And the good thing about this is that it's already hemmed, we don't have to do anything to it, and with the scallop edge it looks really nice in my opinion. I think, don't you think? And then with the corner we have left, I'm going to make the hood. It's not too well, I think it's going to cover his head, and let's make the holes and the mouth. Well, let's first sew it together so I can then try it on and see where the eyes and the mouth goes, so I don't mess it up, because we have no more fabric. This is on. The fabric is a bit stretchy, so I turned down the tension a little bit. The machine was too tense. And because tulle is really see-through, I'm going to put 2 layers so it's a bit darker. It's a bit deeper, the color. And I'm not going to cut eyes and mouth. I'm just going to leave a rectangle of fabric so it's more stable inside when sewing. And to sew this together, I'm going to use a zigzag stitch in the widest range and then a narrow stitch, like in number 1 only, a short stitch. So this way you get a really close zigzag, and it's really decorative and it's really well sewn as well. This is looking quite cute, not too scary, and now I'm going to sew it to the cape with only a simple straight stitch, not zigzag stitch here, because if I need to rearrange it somehow, because maybe now I'm sewing it too low or too high, and then the front will be in a different height, so I need my son to try it tomorrow to see how it fits and how it looks, so we can decide. So just a straight stitch. How scary am I? Well, the blanket is quite warm, I must say. It's really good, quite cozy, so a short sleeve underneath when we go trick-or-treating. So let me know down in the comments if you like this idea. It's really easy to do, and the blanket gives it a really nice feel. It's not looking like a cheap costume, it's looking nice, and I love the scallop edge. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, hype, anything you can do to make this a bit more accessible to anyone who loves these ideas. I'm going to leave you here a few I've made different costumes and decorations I made last year as well. They look really nice. So have a look, don't be shy, and I'll see you around. Bye! I've already used this trick a few times, but it's never too old, is it? Ay, lo dejé encendido.